Greetings and gains, guys, and welcome to the second week vlog. And this continues from yesterday. So yesterday I finished off last vlog I recorded for you guys, and I'm sorry about the time. It's 40 minutes long. I kind of underestimated it because whilst I was recording, I mean, when you're recording, you don't actually realize that it's going to take up this much time. You only realize when you edit, and if I split that vlog into two, then it just wouldn't go, so I had to put it all together. But anyway, guys, I did actually manage to go yoga today, and it was difficult, man. It was difficult. I'm so inflexible as well, and it did not help. I don't think I managed to do anything at yoga. I mean, I tried, but I was just so inflexible that I couldn't perform most of the things that we did. But anyway, guys, it's about 11 p.m. I'm about to have my last meal. I got a crap load of calories. I still haven't done my shopping. So I've ordered like £25 worth of food. It's Lebanese food. I don't know what it is. It's got some fancy name, but that's what I got. I've got two of them. Got to eat big to get big, right? Got my carbs here, got my proteins here, and the meat has also got fats, so it's got all the macros I need in this meal. And I'm just about to eat, guys. I'm tired, but I'm gonna stay up to watch the boxing today. I believe that Mayweather's gonna win. My heart says Pacquiao, but my mind says Mayweather. But I do have a strong feeling that Pacquiao could upset Mayweather, but we'll see what happens. It will be a week after the fight that this video comes out, so we'll see if I get my prediction right. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go eat, and I'll see you whenever. I probably won't vlog for the rest of the night, so maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Greetings and gains, guys. I think the last time I vlogged was Saturday, either Saturday or Monday. I don't remember, probably Saturday. It's been that long. Today is Friday, and I've only just managed to get time to vlog. So this vlog is pretty much just going to be the whole of today, because today I have a day off, and I couldn't vlog the other days because I've just been so busy with uni assignments and stuff. So it's been pretty hectic, and I've got like a load of other things that I've been doing. So I apologize that this is going to be a Friday dominated vlog. It's only going to be one day, and that's today. But today I've got the whole day free, and I promise I'm going to try and make this vlog as interesting as possible. I'm going to take you guys shopping with me today. I'm going to go to Asda, and I'm going to go to Tesco, and I might even go to another supermarket depending on what I need and what I want. And yes, I go to different supermarkets based on what I need. So for example, Tesco sell them cheap ass tuna cans. I'm going to go to Tesco for the tuna, and for everything else I'll probably go to Asda, but you'll see what I get up to anyway. I won't record my shopping. I'm going to do that on a separate video, so that video will probably be out after this video, or it might be out before. Actually no, it'll be out after, because I promised to release these vlogs on Saturday and today's Friday. So the shopping video will be out after this video, maybe about 2 or 3 days afterwards. And then next week I'm going to Birmingham for Body Power, so you guys are going to get a Body Power vlog, and you're going to get a vlog off my whole Birmingham trip. So I'm really looking forward to that, and you can expect good content next week. But anyway, guys, it's Friday, and every Friday afternoon I go to the mosque, so I'm going to go to the mosque now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Greetings and gains, guys. Come back from mosque. I've eaten my meal, tuna and pasta, and you guys must be thinking, why is this guy eating tuna and pasta every single day? It's simple. It's convenient for me. It's convenient for me because I have no access to halal meat, so usually I'd be eating chicken, beef, you know, all the good stuff, but I haven't had access to it recently, so I've just been eating tuna sweet potato, tuna pasta, tuna this, tuna that. But I don't really mind too much, man, because I was dieting for like 8 months and I was eating chicken every single day, so it's good to have a change. So I've been to the mosque. It's my rest day today, so I won't be going to the gym. I'm literally going to be filming videos for you guys all day, including this one. I've still got to go to Asda. I've still got to go to Tesco to pick up some more tuna cans, and I've got a few more things to do, but we'll see. I'll think about it. I'll see if I can do it. Again, my arm is getting tired, so I'm supporting it with my hand. This vlogging stuff is really difficult. If you're someone who vlogs every single day, I rate you, and you must have pretty strong delts. But my week so far, guys, I mean, I've been busy doing assignments and stuff. Yesterday I went to the gym to train arms. The day before yesterday was Wednesday. Wednesday I went to train back, but I weren't really feeling it. I weren't really feeling it because my shoulder felt pretty good, and I felt that if I went to gym, I might just hurt it again, and that was the case. I done a lat pull down, and you know when the lat pull down goes up, it really discomforted my arm. So after that, I got home that evening, and I started reflecting upon the gym session and thought, was it really worth going? Should I just take a complete break from the gym and stuff? But I'm not the type of person that just sits around feeling sorry for himself. I can't do it, man. I can't stay at home and avoid the gym, because I can still train. I feel discomfort, but I can still train. And I don't know, man. I mean, the next day I still went in to train arms, and I had a pretty good session too. This injury it's just killing me, and I wish it just went, but it's not going away anytime soon, so I'm gonna have to get used to it. But anyway, guys, arm's getting tired. I'm gonna head to Asda in a bit, then go Tesco afterwards maybe, or I might just go Tesco first. I don't know, we'll see, but I'll catch you guys in a bit. For evidential purposes, guys, it's raining. I'm on my way to Asda. I'm not gonna go to Tesco, it's gonna take too long, and Tesco's quite far, so I'm just gonna go to Asda. I don't want to vlog in the rain because my camera will mess up, so I'll see you guys in Asda. What's up, guys? I'm home after my mile walk from Asda. That's right, Asda's a mile away. You see this shop in here? Don't know if you can see all the bags. Yes, you can. Trust me, them bags were heavy. I carried them from a mile away to home, and I had to even go uphill at times, so that's how I get these guns, man. That's how I get these guns. I carry my shopping home like a man. You couldn't walk a mile in these shoes. I'm only playing. But yeah, I've done my shopping. If you guys want to see the shopping video, it should be out after this video. This video will be out on a Saturday. The shopping video should be out maybe on a Monday or a Tuesday, or maybe I'll be generous and release it a day after this on a Sunday. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, I've got to put the shopping away. I've got to clean my house. The house is in the right state, literally. It just looks like I answered a few stereotypes out there and lit up a bomb in my own house. Literally, it just looks an absolute mess. So I've got to clear up my house, put the shopping away, and yeah. Okay, so a lot of you guys have not seen me in person, so you won't know how big I actually am, because cameras don't give you that right image of a bodybuilder on YouTube, because trust me, some guys actually look smaller in person and some guys look bigger in person. I genuinely believe that I look bigger in person. I'm not showing off or anything, but in case you happen to care, it's a bicep shot there. Look, my bicep has got a bicep. If you look, oh, you can't see it now, maybe it was just a shadow. No, it's not a shadow, because I can see it. But my bicep has got a bicep. Catch you guys in a sec. Greetings and gains, guys. I'm just about to film a video for you lot. Obviously I've been slacking on the videos. I've been putting out these vlog videos, and I've been putting out a few workout videos here and there. I did actually put out the motivation video, but I haven't put out an AJ Talks video. I haven't put out, I don't know, man. I mean, this video that I'm making right now, it's not an AJ Talks video, but it's a video nonetheless. And I've had this idea for this video for a while, but I'm actually going to put it into practice now, and hopefully it turns out good. If it doesn't, then, well, you'll be the judge of it anyway, but I'm going to try and pump out as much content as I can. Like I said, I'm trying to do my best. There's people with 4 million subscribers who barely put out weekly videos. I've got 400, and I'm putting out on average at least 2 to 3 a week, even though for the last 2-3 weeks I've been putting out 1 or 2 a week. But still, guys, like I'm trying my best, trying to work with the time that I have, and yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna film this video, and then I'm gonna eat. I haven't eaten. I've still got a crap load of calories left, but I've just been working for you guys, trying to film this, and yeah, I'm just gonna start rambling on there. Catch you in a bit. What's up, guys? I'm about to have some carrot and swede mash, strictly carbs, because I cannot be bothered to cook anything else, and this was microwaved, so it was convenient, it was easy. But I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna eat a meal with protein in it and some additional carbs, because I've still got a crap load of calories to eat. And I was busy making that video. I finished making a video, I tried editing it, and my computer does not have the capacity to produce the video. So if anyone wants to donate me a faster, better computer, then feel free to do so. But hopefully I could pull that video off in future. Right now I can't, because I mean, I tried several times to try and edit it on my computer afterwards, just to make sure that I could edit it. Even when I edit my normal videos, my computer messes up, so it's really difficult. But I wasn't able to make that video, but have no fear, I made a video anyway, and that video should be out after this vlog, a few days after this vlog. When? I don't know, it depends. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a notification. But anyway guys, I'm starving, I'm gonna eat this and I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright guys, so on to my next meal. It's been an hour since I last ate, and that was on a clip that you watched previously. I'm gonna have 2 sweet potatoes. They equate to about 300 grams and about 20 grams of almond butter. I've got a beef patty in the oven, and that's still cooking, and I didn't want to wait for it to cook. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna eat the beef patty, and I'll show you guys once it's done. And if you wanna watch me eat for food as well, then just leave a comment in the comment box, and maybe for future videos I'll eat the food for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna eat the patty, eat this, and then I've got one meal left, which is probably gonna be Greek yogurt with dark chocolate. Alright guys, got my beef patty, it's finally made. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna follow it up with Greek yogurt. And I know that 1 or 2 of you are probably gonna comment on me reusing the plastic tray which I had my carrot and swede mash in. Now the reason why I'm reusing it is because it's so I don't need to wash up any dishes, because I don't want to wash up any dishes. But yeah, I'm going to eat this, and probably half an hour later or something, I'm going to prepare my Greek yogurt and eat that too. Alright guys, I'm just about to go prepare for Greek yogurt, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's go prepare this Greek yogurt and let's finish this vlog off, because just not editing that video I was doing earlier, man, it just completely ruined my mood. Because that video I was really looking forward to doing and releasing, but I guess it's something for the future when I can invest into my channel more, such as a new computer and stuff. But forget their motives, let's go make this Greek yogurt dessert. I'm getting irritated with holding my camera, man, because I'm really conscious about covering the mic, and I'm most likely covering the mic now. But then again, when I'm not covering the mic, it's difficult to hold the camera. So yeah, it's just really difficult. I guess I need another camera for vlogging too. So that's another investment, man. Another investment, because trying to hold the camera so I don't cover the microphone, and yeah, it's just difficult. My arm's getting tired and I'm just looking at my camera because it looks like it's broken. It actually is. Yeah, the other day, there's like this huge mirror in my room. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the mirror. My arm is killing me. And I haven't trained delts for a while, so it's probably why, man. Where is it? Yeah, so the mirror's here. And the mirror was actually up on that wall there. And I was just sitting down on my laptop on my bed. Literally, I was just sat here like this, and it just collapsed out of nowhere, and it was hung on that wall by a metal chain. A metal chain I've got as well. So it was hung on the wall with this, and I've never touched a mirror before. I've never had a problem with the mirror at all, and I was just on my laptop casually and it just fell. And yeah, it was just, I was actually sat closer to the mirror, so closer to the wall, and it almost hit my head, but luckily it just swerved and hit my camera, which isn't lucky at all either, because it's damaged my camera and my flash does not pop out properly from my camera, because I have a pop-out flash. You press this button, you slide it to the left or the right, you slide it in either direction and the flash pops out, but now it just doesn't pop out. I have to do it manually and I have to like bring it out myself, so that kind of sucks. But anyway guys, I'm gonna stop rambling on and I'm gonna prepare this dessert. I'm gonna have to put the camera down because my arm is really getting tired, but I'm gonna go grab what I need and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, I've got all my ingredients ready. There you go. Blueberries, green and black dark chocolate, and some Greek yogurt. I'm gonna try and make this with one hand. It's gonna be difficult because usually I require two and it takes me a long time. It's actually quite difficult because I've got to open this, I've got to weigh the blueberries out, I've got to grate the dark chocolate, but let's see if I can do it with one hand. You guys need to appreciate me more because I do all this for you. I inconvenience myself all for you. So make sure you give this video a like and make sure you tell your friends about my channel, man. But yeah, anyways, like I was saying, got my ingredients ready, so let's prepare this with one hand, the magical hand. Open. The Greek yogurt. Got a notification on my phone. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'll try it. Got it open. Cool. So I'm gonna be having 250 grams of Greek yogurt. So got a bowl and got a scale, and you guys might be looking at this bowl thinking it just looks worn out and old. That's because it is old. It was my granddad's cereal bowl and he used it, well, not just for cereal, he just generally used it to eat, and yeah, it just reminds me of him and I'll never want to get rid of it, and I eat in this bowl, so yeah, that's the reason why I always use this bowl, and that's the reason why it looks worn out. Okay, so a spoon of Greek yogurt in. Let me see if you guys can see. I got this really cool camera stick and it holds my camera. It's quite convenient, but still only using one hand is pretty inconveniencing, but it's all for you guys, man. It's all for the audience. And I don't even know what this looks like on camera. Okay, cool. So we got, well, it says 290 on the scale, but I promise you it's 250. It just says 290 because the spoon is on there. Look, I take the spoon off. 243. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Like I'm just guessing and assuming that you can, because when I turn the camera like this, I can't see what the camera sees. So yeah, anyway, it says 243 on a scale. That's about 10 grams on there, so 253 in total. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add the protein powder, I'm gonna add the blueberries and the dark chocolate, and I'll show you guys once it's done, because honestly this is long and I cannot carry this on. And I'll be here all night. I'm hungry, I'm always hungry, I know, but I just literally want to get this prepared and just relax because it's midnight and I haven't got all night. So I'm going to prepare this and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, because I love you so much, I've actually set up my tripod so you guys can see everything. I can talk to you whilst I'm preparing this and I can show you, right? So still at the same stage, just the Greek yogurt in there. I'm about to put some protein powder in there. I'm going to have 2 scoops. And the reason I'm having 2 scoops is not even because I need the protein, it's because this is chocolate flavored and the extra scoop really makes this dessert thick and adds that extra bit of chocolate flavor. And yeah, I just want that extra chocolate kick. So that's 1 scoop in. damn thing. And that's 2 scoops in. There you go, 2 scoops. Cool. Put this away, and I'm gonna grab this, which is leucine. Now, you don't actually need this. I have reasons to why I use this supplement. It's a branched chain amino acid, but I'll spare you the scientific details. I'm just going to throw this in. It's not necessary for you guys. You can just have the whey protein and Greek yogurt. Like I said, I have my reasons. I'm going to throw in 2 scoops of this. And that's it. That's that done. Put that to the side. Now I'm going to mix this up. And you guys can watch me. Oh, crap. You guys can watch me mix this up. It's going everywhere, man. See? I was gonna say something, but I don't even know what I was gonna say. But I was gonna say something along the lines of, look how I inconvenience myself for you guys. And some of you guys don't even comment or like my videos or anything. But it's cool. It's cool. As long as you're making gains and you're using my advice, it's all good. I'm always happy to help, even if it's not reciprocated. I don't mind. I'm not one of them people that expects people to give back. As long as I give, I'm happy. I love giving. I love helping people. And I hope that my videos can one day inspire and reach out to more people, and eventually I can get the interaction that I want. Just because I want interaction, it doesn't mean I expect it. It doesn't mean that I'm desperate for it. I'd like interaction to be natural, you know, people naturally wanting to comment on my videos, or people naturally wanting to share my stuff, you know. I don't want it to be forced, if you know what I mean. I want it to be natural, so you know it's real. But yeah, I've done so much talking and not enough mixing. I've got to mix this up. Got to make sure you get the powder at the bottom as well, because usually there's some residue left at the bottom, but that has been ridded off. So all the powder seems to be mixed in. There you go. I was going to give you guys a taste test there, but I'll give you a taste test when I have the whole thing ready. So I've used the Greek yogurt, 250. I've got 200 in there for next time. Next step is to grate the dark chocolate. Now I'm gonna put this plate, bowl thingy, whatever it is. So like this. So that's my scale, the plate, the bowl that I'm using, and an additional bowl. The reason why I'm using an additional bowl is because when I grate my when I grate my chocolate, it usually goes all over the place because I grate rigorously. So I don't really want to dirty the place because I've just cleaned it up, and I don't want to spend another hour cleaning up the kitchen. So yeah, the bowl is there for protection. And now I'm opening up this shiny, wrapped up chocolate. I talk so much crap on camera. Wow. Someone has literally gift wrapped this. It's quite difficult to open. All I want to do is eat some chocolate, man. All I want to do is eat some chocolate. Right, so I'm going to be using 20 grams. That's what the chocolate looks like. Wow, wow, the lighting is so bad. That's what the chocolate looks like. I'll be using 20 grams. I'm going to guess this to be 20 grams. So I've cut off 2 rows. 20 grams. What a guess. Cool, so now I'm gonna grate the chocolate, not the cheese, the chocolate. And I don't know where my grater is. There it is. Cool, so yeah, you guys are not gonna see me grate. I can grate there, maybe it's a better view. Actually, no, forget it. Cool. I'm gonna grate and then I'll show you it grated. I'll keep the camera on, I'll keep the camera rolling. You guys can watch me grate. It might amuse you, it might entertain you, I don't know. I've actually had someone who's subscribed to me on YouTube, or maybe they're not subscribed anymore, come across my videos and email me asking me to flex my biceps and stuff for money. Which is quite bizarre, man. It's quite bizarre, and it's not something that I would do. There's a term we use in the bodybuilding community. The term is gay for pay. I'm not G for P. Two decades later, still grating. Got about this much left. I don't know if you guys can see it, but come on! Come on! I've made so much mess, man. Having this additional bowl is useless. What a dumb idea, man. It's not keeping... I'll show you guys what I mean. I've made so much mess. I've even got chocolate on my phone. Well, this is actually never ending. Usually it doesn't take this long. So I'm just gonna... I'm biting the chocolate off. There, I couldn't be bothered grating the chocolate anymore, so just bit it off. And yes, you could ask why I just wouldn't eat the excess chocolate. It's because I want it in my dessert. And this is what it's looking like right now. Lighting's really bad, so I apologize. Can't do nothing about that right now. The camera's on a tripod. But yeah, move it closer. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's probably tasting better. It tastes better than it looks, trust me. The mess I made is just ridiculous. I'm going to add the blueberries in, and then I'll show you guys the best mess that I made in case... Oh look, the bowl actually caught some grated bits, but it didn't catch much. I think my countertop here in the kitchen actually has more, and my phone as well. I've got chocolate on my phone, look. I don't know if you can see. Focus. Focus! I command you to focus. That'll do. But yeah, I got some chocolate on my phone. Throw that into the bowl because it all accumulates. This needs a wash. Blueberry time. I'm gonna have 100 grams of blueberries. Chocolate. That wasn't chocolate. I don't know what that was. But anyway, 114. Gone a bit over. You know what? Let's go 150. What the hell is that? That's not even a blueberry. Focus. Focus. But I can't make this focus because it's not focusing, but damn it. Alright, so I found this. Focus. See if I can make this focus. It's not focusing. Well, it's not focusing, but it's like a little green. I don't know. I mean, it just looks like it's been ripped off a plant in my back garden. It's not a blueberry, and I don't really want to take a bite out of it to try it. So you know what? Let's try it out. Just because I'm on video for you guys, and I do it for you guys, man. It's some sort of fruit, but it's extremely sour. I don't know what it is. Take another bite. Yeah. Nah, can't. It tastes a bit like grape, but it's just really sour. Anyway, back to my dessert. Mixing the blueberries. Blah. Blueberries are being mixed in. And there we go. Blueberries, dark chocolate, and Greek style yogurt. It's a vlog, so I'm not going to put the macros up on the screen. Should I put the macros up on the screen? I might put the macros up on the screen when I edit it, but if I can guess the macros, I would say it's 9, 18, 18, 36, 54, about 56 to 58 grams of protein, carbs, no idea, mate. Carbs maybe 30 grams, and 10 grams of fat. Actually, no, 12 grams of fat. 12 or 13 grams of fat, including the dark chocolate and the whey protein, where the fat comes from, because the blueberries have no fat content and the Greek yogurt is 0% fat. But the macros will be something like that. I'll show you guys anyway. Let me end this part of the vlog by showing you the mess that I made. No fault of my own. So you see all the chocolate gratings on the worktop. But you guys do not have to grate your chocolate. I grate my chocolate because I like it grated. You don't have to copy me. You can either bite it off like I did at the end, or you can just crush it, or do whatever you want with the dark chocolate, man. This is just my preference. But I sat on, I prepared the dessert for you. I tried to do it with one hand. I've tried an unfamiliar fruit which I found within my blueberries, and yeah, I've pretty much just made myself look like a fool in this part of the vlog. Just for you guys, just for you guys. So make sure you like this video, make sure you share, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna go eat this bad boy, and then I'll see you guys on which will be the final clip. Sorry guys, I almost forgot. Taste test. Okay, so it's okay. I made better though, but that's only because the blueberries are not frozen. I did put them in the freezer. I brought them earlier and they've not frozen, so that's probably why I prefer it when my blueberries are frozen, because it gives you that ice cream consistency, but this does not have that. It's good anyway, for even if the fruits are not frozen. It's just my preference. Maybe you guys like it without the blueberries being frozen, but nevertheless, still a great tasting dessert and a good alternative to the junk dessert that we commonly eat. But yeah guys, see you on the next clip. Alright guys, I've just finished my dessert and that is my last meal, and I'm going to end the vlog here because it's almost 1 AM. I still need to edit this video. The video takes ages to produce as well, and I need to upload it on YouTube, ready for release tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that, relax for a bit whilst I'm doing it, even though It isn't exactly relaxing, but I'm just sitting there editing the video and stuff, so it's pretty chill anyway until my computer messes up. And that is really annoying. Whenever I announce on social media that I've got technical problems, that's the technical problem, my computer messing up. But anyway guys, I've got a lot of interesting videos coming up in the next few weeks. I've got the video that I made today, not the one that messed up because my computer couldn't handle it, but I made a separate video, a completely different one, which is still pretty good content, and that's going to be out after this video. And then I've got the shopping video from today as well, and that should be out after this video too. And then of course I'm going Birmingham for the Body Power Expo, and there's going to be several videos of me, my friends, and it's just going to be a good laugh. I'm going to vlog the whole trip, and yeah, it's going to be good. So I hope you guys stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you are subscribed, then just keep following me, watching my videos, watching my progression, and I hope that I can genuinely have an impact on your fitness life, and I hope that these videos help you in some way or even inspire you, because that in itself would inspire me. You being inspired by me inspires me. But I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to comment, like, share, tell your friends, and remember, if it don't make gains, it don't make sense.